Today we're going to talk about how to clean your microwave. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Please take a moment, subscribe to the channel if you would, please. Whether it's the little ninja on the bottom right, Around the Home at the top left, or the subscribe button. Just depends on the device you're viewing us on. And if you're watching us on YouTube, a link at the top right of the screen is going to show up and take you to our website with hundreds of more videos and a whole bunch of extra content and resources there for you guys. Let's get back to this microwave, okay? So let's say you have a microwave and somebody blows up some chili in it, right? Oh, you know what I'm talking about. It's nasty. It's disgusting. Let's take a closer look, shall we? The chili's burnt on the pan. It's burnt on the ceiling. It's burnt on the sides. It's everywhere. And it's really stuck in there. So you can spend a bunch of time with all-purpose cleaners trying to scrub it down. Just scrubbing it elbow grease like crazy. Or you can try this one super easy trick that makes it easy, quick, and by the end of it, the whole thing is disinfected and sparkly clean. So you just need a couple of things, like this microwave safe, measuring cup from Anchor, okay? Totally microwave safe, it's really thick glass, no problems there. You're gonna want yourself some white vinegar and fill it up halfway with vinegar. Maybe even a little more than halfway, add a little water to it. So we don't need it 100% vinegar, but somewhere around like 60% vinegar is awesome. Throw it in the microwave for a few minutes, get it boiling so it's just steaming the inside, so the vinegar is just plastered all over the place. So I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. At this point, everything is easy to wipe down, because that steam loosened up everything. Okay, now take a look at this. Okay, look at the ceiling there. Sparkling clean. The side walls, every bit of it is sparkling clean. Okay, so if you want to impress the person you're living with and let them think that you're not a slob, that you can actually remember to put paper towels on the plates when you're heating up the leftovers, that is a super easy way to really clean the microwave so it's sparkly cleaned and disinfected and it just looks beautiful, okay? Makes you look like a really, really good person over there, and it's really, really easy to do. Okay, so that being said, please share this video so others like you can see this trick and how easy it is to really clean a microwave out really nice. Take a moment, if you didn't before, subscribe to my channel, check out the website, and an additional video for you there to check out. You guys have a great one.